it's September 26th. Austin and I are just getting ready to head out to the tree stand for the night. We have a northwest wind, which is a good wind for us. So we've got a couple bucks that we've been watching on our trail camera, so hopefully we can make it happen. I'm in the shooter seat tonight. Austin's behind the camera.
Good luck.
Thanks. Alright, it's September 27th. Austin and I are headed back out to the tree stand tonight. Last night we had 2 little bucks come in and a couple different groups of does, but none of our shooter bucks came in at all. So tonight we have another northwest wind, so that's good. It's been a little cooler today too, so hopefully the deer will be moving out and about and we'll get a shooter buck to come in tonight. So, here we go.
We spotted one of the good bucks on the way into the stand. We have a pretty good wind to kind of get around on him, so we're going to see if we can kind of sneak around on him and see if we can get a shot. If not, we're probably not going to push it because we don't want to push him out of here. A little too late to climb into the stand. There's already deer coming up the valley, so we just kind of hunkered into these bushes right here. And hopefully this will be good enough cover for the night because there's a few coming this way. So I see 2 little bucks so far, but hopefully there's a bigger one down in the valley.
Recording of all images impossible. Okay. Oh! Alright, it's Saturday, October 3rd. Austin and I are just getting ready to head out to the tree stand. We've both been kind of off the grid for a couple days. He was kind of sick with a cold, and then I got that cold. So we're back. We're just getting ready to head out there. We have a north wind tonight, so usually that's pretty good. It's been a couple days since we've been out there, so hopefully we have some movement tonight. We'll see.
Pretty cool little double throat badge.
Well, it is October 16th. We kind of did a last minute, decided to go sit in the tree stand tonight, so we are headed there right now. Allison just got off work. I met her with some clothes and got changed quick and headed to the stand. So Allison's in the shooter stand tonight. I'm behind the camera. Good luck.
Thanks. right, it's October 17th. Austin and I are just getting ready to head out to the tree stand. We were just counting our layers. I have like 5.5 layers of clothing on, and Austin
I got
has 4. It's snowing, it's windy, not super windy, but it's a little chilly, so we're hoping the deer are moving tonight. I'm in the shooter stand.
30 degrees and wind's blowing like 12, 14, so I think it'll be a little chilly tonight, but should be a good night. Hopefully the deer are on their feet moving, so
Let's do it.
good luck.
Thanks.
It's pretty chilly out. Hopefully stuff comes by tonight. Freezing our asses off.
All right, it's October 29th. Austin and I are just getting ready to head out to the tree stand. It's probably been about 2 weeks since we last sat. So hopefully we've got some deer in the area. We have a good wind tonight, so hopefully we got something coming our way. Keep you posted.
Luck.
Thanks. shot him a little far back.
Yeah, you must hit something pretty good though, because he's got blood everywhere.
Yeah. Oh my god. Yes. Shoot. I did not. I was worried about my shot. I shot him a little far back. Are you sure he's down?
Yeah, I watched him go down.
Oh my god. Yeah. So cool. It's quite the hit though.
That girl.
Thank you. Oh my gosh. He was pouring blood up that hill.
Yeah, he was.
I was gonna give him a minute, but I didn't know if he was gonna go down there, so. But he's down?
Yeah, he's down.
Yes! Woo! 2020. Archery deer.
Nice job,
Done.
sweetie.
Thank you. Thank you.
Would you have your sight on 35?
Yeah, I put it 35.
Perfect.
I wish it was a little more forward, but it worked.
It worked. It was good.
Okay.
Good job.
Sweet. Thank you. We're gonna climb out of the stand. Austin saw him go down about like 100 yards up the draw. You can just see the blood splattered on the snow. I was a little far back, but he's down. He's dead. So we're gonna go check him out.
Woohoo!
Yes. Let's go. He was standing about right here. Our tree stand's right there, so. We'll just go right down the draw. We know where he's at, so.
Go look at him.
Let's go. Austin's food plot. Oh my. Definitely a younger buck, but I'm happy with him. He's kind of weird right there, and I am stoked. Just a nice, clean recovery. This is great.
Went down fast.
Yeah, it went down super fast. I was kind of cutting it down the wire. It's the end of October. Rifle starts, and things are going to be moving a little differently, so I decided to pull the trigger on him. And I'm happy I did. He'll taste good. Woohoo!